Chapter 7, Building Daily Routines. Morning Rituals for Success. Win the morning, win the day. Tim Ferriss. Your morning is not just a time to wake up, it's a time to take control. The way you start your day sets the tone of your mindset, energy, and focus. High performers in every field, from CEO to athletes, often share one thing in common: they follow a powerful morning ritual. Whether you are a night owl or an early bird, crafting a consistent and intentional morning routine can radically transform your productivity, clarity, and well-being. Why morning rituals matters? Creates momentum. You start with intention instead of reaction. Builds discipline. Starting the day with structure strengthens self-control. Boosts confidence. You gain small wins early, which power your entire day. Protects time for personal growth. Before the world demands your attention, reduce decision fatigue. Having a set routine saves mental energy. The first hour of your day should serve you, not your inbox. Elements of a powerful morning ritual. Here is a blueprint you can personalize. Wake up at the consistent time. Why? Your body thrives on rhythm. A regular wake up time balances hormones, improves sleep quality, and enhances cognitive function. Tip: start with it just 15 minutes earlier and gradually build. Second, hydrate and nourish. Nourish. Why? Your body is dehydrated after sleep. Drinking water first thing jumps starts metabolism and brain function. Bonus: add lemon or a pinch of salt for electrolyte balance. Third, move your body. Why? Light movement, stretching, walking, yoga, or quick workouts improves blood flow, wakes up your mind, and boosts the dopamine. Tip: even 5 minutes of stretching can lift brain fog. 4. Practice stillness, mindfulness, meditation, or prayer. Why? This helps calm anxiety, improve emotional regulation, and enhance mental clarity before chaos begins. Options: 5 minutes breathing meditation, gratitude journaling, spiritual reading or prayer, affirmations or intention setting. 5. Read or learn something uplifting. Why? Feeding your brain early with wisdom, insight, or inspiration sets a positive, productive tone. Ideas: 10 pages of a notification book, a podcast episode, an idea while walking. Plan 6. Plan your day. Why? Clarity boosts confusion. Spend a few minutes setting your time priorities. Use tools like a journal or planner, Google Calendar, to-do list apps, Notion, to Todoist, etc. Ask what must get done today. What would make today feel successful? Example: morning routine 3 to 60 minutes. Time activity time 6 a.m. Wake up and drinking water. 6 to 10 a.m. Stage or light movement. 6 to 20 a.m. 5 minutes mindfulness or gratitude. 6 to 30 a.m. Read 10 pages or listen to podcast. 6 to 45 a.m. Review and write top 3 priorities. 7 a.m. Begin your deep work day's task. Customize your morning routine. Everyone's lifestyle and energy are different. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. to succeed. The real key is consistency and intentionality. Ask yourself, what helps me feel grounded and focused in the morning? What can I eliminate to avoid rushed or reactive mornings? How can I align my mornings with my goals? Mistakes to avoid. Mistakes solution. Starting with your phone or news. Solution: replace with journaling, planning, or reading. Mistake: trying to do too much too soon. Start with a 10-minute ritual and build gradually. Mistake: inconsistent sleep schedule. Solution: set a bedtime alarm and create wind down rituals. Final insight: your morning routine is the rudder of your day. A successful day does not begin with willpower, it begins with structure. Morning rituals are not just about being productive, they are about being centered, intentional, and prepared. Even a 15-minute morning routine done daily can shift your life's trajectory over time. Evening shutdown rituals. The quality of your next day begins the night before. Anonymous. Most people focus on the morning routine, but evening rituals are just as powerful. Calm and intentional evening routine helps you reflect, reset, and prepare your body and mind for restful sleep and productive tomorrow. Whether you are high performing professional or simply seeking more balance, establishing an evening shutdown ritual can reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and help you wake up with clarity and focus. Why evening rituals matter? Declutter your mind before bed is the transition from work mode to rest mode. Prepare for tomorrow's success, reflect on the day and learn from it. Sleep more peacefully with fewer racing thoughts. Your brain cannot turn off if your day has no official end. Elements of an effective evening shutdown ritual. You don't need to elaborate routine, just a consistent, relaxing wind down system. Here is a proven structure you can personalize. First, digital sunset 1 to 2 hours before bed. While blue light from screen disrupts melatonin, your natural sleep hormone, endless scrolling also overstimulates your brain. Do this instead. Turn off work notification. Use blue light filters or wear blue light glasses. Put your phone in another room. Second, reflect on the day. Why? Reviewing your day builds self-awareness and help process emotions or thoughts that would otherwise keep you awake. How? Write three things you accomplished. Note what could improve tomorrow. Express one thing you are grateful for. Third, create a tomorrow plan. Why? Planning the next day clears mental clutter and eliminates morning confusion. Include your top three priorities. Any appointments, one thing you are looking forward to. Planning at night frees your morning for action, not decision making. 4. Mental and physical unwinding suggestions. Drink herbal tea, chamomile, tulsi, or lavender. Read fiction or light non-fiction. Avoid intense topics. Light stretching or yoga. Warm shower or bath. Deep breathing or guided meditation. Signal to your body it's a time to rest. Fifth, sleep rituals and environment setup. Why? Your environment strongly influences sleep quality. Optimize cool, dark room. Use blackout curtains or eye mask. White noise or calming music. No work items in your sleep space. Bedtime at the same hour even on weekends. Sample 30-minute evening shutdown routine. Time 9 p.m. Activity. Turn off screens, lower the lights. Time 9 to 5 p.m. Journal reflection and plan tomorrow. 9 to 50 p.m. Light stretching or breathing exercise. 9 to 25 p.m. Read or listen to calming audio. 9 to 30 p.m. Lights out, sleep or wind down fully. Morning and evening, the feedback loop. Your evening setups your morning and your morning builds on the evening. If your morning feels rushed or unproductive, your evening may be the root cause. A strong evening shutdown keeps your brain closer, promotes better sleep, and launches you into tomorrow with intention. Common pitfalls to avoid. Mistake solution. Checking emails before bed. Solution. Set alarm. Work cutoff time. Mistake. Using your phone as an alarm and scrolling. Solution. Use a physical alarm clock. Mistake. Unplanned or inconsistent bedtime. Solution. Set a nightly reminder and treat sleep as scared. Final insight. The day is not complete until it is closed with intention. Evening rituals are your breeze from chaos to calm. By ending your day with presence, peace, and purpose, you take back control of your time and your energy. The next morning does not begin with your alarm, it begins tonight. Time for self care and reflection. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Anne Lamott. In our pursuit of productivity, it's easy to forget the foundation that sustains it. Self care and self awareness, building daily routines, isn't just about managing time, it's about managing energy, emotions, and well being. Carving out intentional bedtime for self care and reflection is not a luxury, it's a necessity. When you neglect yourself, you operate on low battery, but when you pause, recharge, and realign, your routine stops being a race and becomes a rhythm. Why self care should be part of your routine? Self care is not selfish, it's a self preservation. It's the proactive maintenance of your physical, emotional, and mental health. A strong routine includes moments for rest, joy, stillness, and growth. Benefits of daily self care: reduce stress and burnout, increases emotional resilience, improves concentration and creativity, promotes physical and mental health, builds self worth and confidence. Why reflection matters? Productivity without reflection can feel empty. Daily reflection allows you to celebrate wins, learn from mistakes, stay aligned with your values, make conscious improvements. Reflection turns experience into insight. John C. Maxwell. Ways to practice daily self care. Self care looks different for everyone. It's not always about face masks and spa days. It's about what replenishes you. Here are some powerful practices: physical self care, walking or light exercise, stretching or yoga, drinking enough water, take free breaks, getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Mental and emotional self care, deep breathing or mindfulness, journaling emotions or thoughts, reading something uplifting, listening to music or nature sounds, disconnecting from screens. Soulful self care, practicing gratitude, doing something creative, drawing, writing, gardening, talking to a friend, volunteer or doing something kind, spending time in nature or silence. Daily reflection prompts. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes each evening for simple reflection. Here are some prompts. What went well today? What challenged me and what did I learn from it? What am I grateful for right now? Did 1 hour did I honor my body and mind today? How can I show up better tomorrow? Keep a dedication journal to track your reflection and self-care wins. Simple daily self-care and reflection routine: 15 to 20 minutes. Time activity 8:30 p.m. Short meditation or deep breaths 8:40 p.m. Gratitude journaling 3 things 8:45 p.m. Reflect on the day using prompts 8:55 p.m. Read a calming or inspirational book. Even 10 intentional minutes can shift your energy and mindset. Balance is the goal, not perfection. You will not have a perfect self-care routine every day, and that's okay. The key is consistency over intensity. What matters most is showing up for yourself even in small ways. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Fill yours first, then give to the world. Final insight: routines should support your life, not consume it. By adding self-care and reflection into your daily structure, you become not just productive but present, not just efficient but fulfilled. Success is not just about what to do, it's also about how well you treat yourself along the way. Thank you very much for listening.